Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garnier Vitamin C Night Cream. First, always start with a clean canvas. Make sure your face is thoroughly cleansed to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities. Then, gently pat your skin dry. It's important that your skin is completely dry before applying the cream to ensure proper absorption and effectiveness. Now, let's talk about application. Take a small, pea-sized amount of the cream onto your fingertips. Gently dot this cream onto key areas of your face, your forehead, cheeks, and chin. Then, using soft, upward, and circular motions, gently massage the cream into your skin until it's fully absorbed. Remember to avoid the delicate skin around your eyes. For optimal results, make this cream a consistent part of your nightly skincare routine. Applying it every evening allows the vitamin C to work its magic while you sleep, helping to rejuvenate your skin. With regular use, you can expect to see a brighter, more even complexion and smoother skin texture. Consistency truly is key for achieving visible improvements. Before fully incorporating any new product, always perform a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any sensitivities. If you experience any irritation, redness, or discomfort, discontinue use immediately. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.